पेशावरी चना मेवा पुलाव की तरकीब।
This is absolutely delicious. The spices are perfect. Wow. Nice Peshawari Chana Mewa Pulao. I need this recipe.
Guys, oh my god.
Hey.
I liked and subscribed to your channel.
Right.
Peshawari Chana Mewa Pulao is a flavorful rice dish from Peshawar, known for its unique blend of chickpeas, dried fruits, and aromatic spices. This pulao is hearty, nutritious, and perfect for family dinners or festive occasions. The sweet raisins paired with spiced chickpeas give it a delightful balance of taste. Ingredients: 3 cups basmati rice, 4 cups vegetable stock or water, 2 cups chickpeas, pre-cooked or canned, half a cup raisins, 1 onion sliced, 2 medium tomatoes chopped, 3 garlic cloves chopped, whole spices, 4 to 5 cloves, 1-inch cinnamon stick, 2 black cardamom pods, 1 bay leaf, 1½ tablespoons garam masala, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, half a cup oil, salt to taste. Method: prepare the rice. Wash the basmati rice 3 times and soak it in water for 30 minutes. Prepare the base. Heat oil in a heavy-bottomed pot or pressure cooker. Add sliced onions and chopped garlic, frying until golden brown. Add whole spices. Drop in cloves, cinnamon, cardamom, and bay leaf. Let them sizzle to release their aroma. Cook the tomatoes. Add chopped tomatoes and cook until they soften into a thick paste. Add powdered spices. Mix in garam masala, cumin seeds, and salt. Mix chickpeas and raisins. Stir in chickpeas and raisins, coating them well in the masala. Stir well. Cook the rice. Add the soaked rice and pour in the vegetable stock or water. The liquid should just cover the rice. Pressure cooker. Cook on medium heat for 1 whistle. Hot method. Cover tightly and simmer on low heat for 15 to 20 minutes until rice is tender and liquid is absorbed. Rest and fluff. Allow the pulao to rest for 5 minutes. Gently fluff with a fork to separate the grains. Serving suggestion. Serve hot with raita, salad, or a spicy chutney. This pulao also pairs wonderfully with kebabs or grilled meat for a complete Peshawari style meal.
Guys, oh my god.
Hey.
I liked and subscribed to your channel.
Right.